Hi, I'm Jared Dillingham in the Azores. Well, the Europeans love their tea, and São Miguel is home to the only tea plantation in all of Europe, and it's free for you to come check out. Now, there are other farms in Europe that grow some tea, but Gorreana claims to be truly unique, and they've been growing tea here since the 1880s. You'll find it on the northern coast of São Miguel, not too far from the ocean. The Azores are known for lush vegetation, but the tea fields really stand out. They've been groomed into mazes, following the natural contours of the hills. And you are free to hike the paths and trails through the tea fields anytime you want. You'll find trail maps in the main parking lot of the factory, or you can just go exploring on your own. There are no fees and no gates. While you're out in the fields, chances are you'll see the pickers at work hand-picking the tea leaves from the rows of bushes. Gorreana produces green and black tea, and you can watch the process unfold inside after it begins out in the fields. The freshly harvested tea leaves are withered and rolled to release their natural flavors. They follow different processes depending on whether they're making green or black tea. Heating, rolling, and steaming all come into play. Eventually, the tea is bagged and packaged by hand. Much of the process at Gorreana is the same as it was more than 100 years ago when they first started. You can take a tour with a guide or just wander about the factory yourself. But again, the big draw here is truly the tea fields. The weather will play a role in your experience. Sunny days will make the green geometric designs more vibrant. Foggy days bring a beautiful moodiness to the plantation. What I love about so many places in the Azores is they're free for you to check out anytime you want, open 24/7, and that's even the case here at this tea plantation. You are free to roam these trails anytime.